76 is on a 6,534 square foot lot, has been recently repainted and retouched inside. It's in a nice neighborhood, has some great trees, a fenced backyard. Now inside the house, you can see there's new laminate flooring throughout, new paint. Everything is in excellent condition. There's a dining area, the kitchen, all in good condition, comes fully equipped with all the necessary appliances. Looks out onto a nice big back deck and fenced backyard area. The house is thermostatically controlled with cadet heaters. There's 2 hall closets and the slider that leads out to the back deck. Yes, bathroom with tub shower combination. It also has a new floor, all in great shape. The 2 guest bedrooms are of about equal size. They have new carpet. It's a gray color. Has a bypass door closet. Primary bedroom is spacious, fits a king-size bed on that wall very easily. It does have a walk-in closet. And a good sized primary bath. Has the new flooring, tub shower combination. There's also a pantry. Forgot to show that earlier, but nice to have in a kitchen. And finally, the garage with good storage, a door to the outside. It's fully insulated and drywalled. There's the electrical panel, newer water heater, washer and dryer are included, and they are out here in the garage.